Hey everybody, John Martinez here. Thanks for tuning in with me today, this Independence Day. That's right, today is the 4th of July. And, before I get started here with the content of my message, I first and foremost want to express how grateful I am for today, this Independence Day, and the significance of what the day really means to me as it pertains to being an entrepreneur, being in the marketing and advertising business, because the message that I have today seems very, very fitting for what today is and the significance of the day. And so the topic of my message today is freedom. That's what today is really all about. In 1776, on this day in that year, is when the 13 colonies declared that they were going to be free from British rule and go their own way, do their own thing. And to me, that's what being an entrepreneur is all about. It's about, going your own way, doing your own thing. And freedom. So there's three types of freedoms that each and every day that I wake up, I am constantly trying to attain. And so let me talk about those three freedoms. So the first freedom that I want to refer to is time freedom. To me, there is no more valuable asset than my time, and there should be no more valuable asset to you. Your time is valuable. And, for those people that are still working, regular jobs, they have to be somewhere at a specific time and stay until a specific time, you may not necessarily enjoy those freedoms just yet. But as you get, more involved and entrenched in being an entrepreneur, you will be able to free yourself, from that slavery, if you will. I know that's, kind of a strong statement, but that's the way I look at it. I mean, if I have to be somewhere at a specific time and stay until a specific time because somebody is telling me that I need to do those things, to me, that is a form of enslaving myself. I'm indebted to that person or enslaved to that person to be there and perform a job or a task for X amount of hours. But to me, that's modern day slavery. The second type of freedom that I like to constantly strive to attain is location freedom. Again, we as entrepreneurs really enjoy a lot of luxuries, and one of them being, especially with this chosen career of being in the marketing and advertising business as it pertains to the internet, is we can literally choose to work from anywhere where we have a cell phone connection or an internet connection. Because that's really all you need to do what we do. Of course, you need a cell phone, a smartphone, and or a laptop or whatever. But cell phone connection or internet, a Wi-Fi connection is typically all that you need in order to conduct your daily business. The last freedom, which is the one that's most frequently referred to or talked about, is financial freedom. And on that note, the thing that is so powerful about this career is that you can literally engineer any income of your choosing. Now, think about that very carefully, okay? Because it is absolutely true. The science of getting rich, it is a science. It's like arithmetic or algebra, okay? There is an actual science to it. But, you can, once you understand, once you are mastering the strategies, the techniques, the tools of internet marketing and the marketing and advertising as it pertains to the internet, you will learn to understand how to run your ad campaigns. You will learn that what your ad budget is and how many leads you're getting for your ad spend, and what that relates to in terms of front end sales or back end sales or whatnot. And so once you have all of that data and you analyze it, you can literally to the dollar determine how much money you want to make. So if you're putting $1 in and you're getting $5 out, or whatever the case is, of course I'm just throwing numbers out there, but you're getting more out than what you're putting in is the point that I'm trying to make. And so once you have those statistics, you can then engineer any income that you want. Okay, so think about that today, this 4th of July, this Independence Day. Freedom, that's what it's all about. Freedom as an entrepreneur means a lot of things to a lot of people. Those are the things that it means to me. time freedom, location freedom, and of course, financial freedom. So hopefully you got some value out of that message here today. I look forward to bringing you something beneficial and of value tomorrow as well. Enjoy your afternoon with your family and friends. Be safe, and I'll look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Bye for now.